'cause I can't see you anywhere.
Good morning, good people. How are you doing? And welcome to a day in my life. It's been long since I picked up my camera on a Saturday morning and just did a day in the life. Like today we're gonna do a day in my life, and this year I've not even done any. It's a Saturday, and most of the Saturdays I'm usually waking up in a rush, like trying to fix 1 to 3 things in the house and then get to my class, which starts from 11 to 2 p.m. So today we don't have a class because they're preparing for exams, which is starting next week. So we've been given this time to just study. And here I am. I'm seeing the weather is looking good. Like yesterday the weather was so bad. I even did some cleaning, and guys, like I did what I hate the most. Like in the evening I cleaned my clothes and I had to hang them here overnight. Like a few, not everything, because like yesterday it was really rainy. I even had to clean my machine, and I still have some over here that I need to go and air. So I'm just gonna remove everything here and just take them up because I'm seeing the weather is good people. So I'm going to remove them quickly and then take them and just hang them up there, just to get the little bit sunlight that is coming out right now. So all my clothes are up. Let's see how long it will take for them to dry. So good people, imagine it took me 30 minutes to hang those clothes. Like it's 10 already because I left it around 9:30. So I'm gonna make simple breakfast very quick.
Don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where
So the breakfast is ready right here. I'm just gonna have it quickly. And I'm having my, I don't know, it's called mocha. That's coffee and drinking chocolate mixed together with hot water. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have. So I guess I'll see you after I'm done with my breakfast so that we can do other stuff. Yeah. So good people, I'm done cleaning the house, and for some reason, like I just feel so tired. Not even some reason, of course I've been cleaning, so yeah, so I'm so tired. And it looks so good, like it's so fresh right now. I'm so, like, I'm jazzed with how it looks like. I'm satisfied. Now we're gonna get to the kitchen because I need to prepare some food stuff. Some of the things I wanna make, of course I'm gonna make skewers. I'll use these sausages, and then I want to make pilau. So I have some meat over here, which I'm gonna leave to boil. I'm gonna make some chicken wings, so I marinated them last night. This, I marinated some chicken as well, which I'm going to fix today. Yeah, so good people, I'm going to leave this meat here to boil. We will go to the kitchen, not really to the kitchen, but to my bedroom. I need to rearrange some of my clothes. And yeah, ignore this darkness over here. Yes, we are here. So this clothes right here, just see the way this closet is, like it's well organized. I want my clothes to always remain like this. You can see, like kila kitu iko in order. Of course I did laundry, some clothes are up, so when they come I'll just fold and put them in place. But I need to arrange. This side is okay. Just look at this side, like the clothes are just all over. Vitu ziko kila mahali. Even these are my gym clothes. These are some dresses, and then there we have some, I think, tights and official pants. That's what is up there. And I think I usually use this area the most because of gym clothes here. Wow, so I need just to arrange them so that it can become as neat as the other side. So this thing here is a gift for my friend. That's one of my besties, Kathy. It was her birthday yesterday. Happy birthday, Kathy. So today I decided to do something, like just something for us. So she'll be coming over, not just Kathy alone, but Jackie and Marel. And you guys know how much I love birthdays. So anyway, let's stop talking and let me get into this. I'll start with this, but first, 20 minutes timer. I hope I'll be able to finish within that 20 minutes because I don't have so much time. I'm left with 50, how many? 40 something seconds before it ends. So we are done. It took me 30 minutes, not 20 as I thought. So everything is neat, and this is now the transition. I mean, like, it's just, you know, like everything is now in order. Like kila kitu iko venye inafaa kukua. So if I just take this up here, you're able to see, you know, like everything iko salama. So guys, the weather outside, it may change so much, and I'm going to remove the clothes. Then I just come and shower quickly, and then we shall meet in the kitchen when I'm done showering, when I'm freshened up, like when I'm fresh, like when I'm freshened up. And yeah, so see you after I shower. Good people, I'm coming back to you when I'm fresh from shower. And the reason why I'm shooting from this angle is that I can show you this, whatever I'm wearing. There are pants that I got from my newest plug when it comes to clothes, anything stylish, anything, let me just say, not kawaida stuff. Yeah, so I got these shorts from Remy collection. I think I'll put their link somewhere, their Instagram page somewhere here. You'll be able to see. But if you want anything to do with shorts, these shorts were going for 300 Kenya shillings, and you can see like they have very good pockets, and then even the fitting is very, very good. Like my thighs, you know, and then it's really stretching, so you feel very comfortable wearing them. Like you won't feel like something is tightening you up or anything like that. And you know how much I love shorts, I think by now, if you've been watching my channel for quite some time. And yeah, the fact that I can tie this, you know, over here, then the pockets is what is, you know, that's what stood out for me. Then of course over here, this, it just feels good, looks good. And yeah, and I decided to pair it with my spaghetti tops. My friends will start getting here anytime from now, so I need to start by making the starters. And my starters for today, we're going to have pan-fried chicken wings and skewers using these sausages that are here. So I'm going to just do that first, and then now we can move to the main meal, which again, I said earlier, we're going to make pilau. So let's get started.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall.
Someone at the door. So great people, that bed was just for this cake. Like it has been delivered, and it looks bigger than I thought. Imagine this for 4 people. Wow. But anyway, let's continue cooking.
In the end, it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why.
Wishing I used the other pan for the chicken wings than this pan, because see, these are like 12 pieces, which is me, and that other pan is way bigger than this. I don't know why I decided to use it. It's usually my favorite pan, because I have all this chicken wings still left over here that I need to make. I don't know how this is going to work, but well, let's just try. So my wings are ready, like almost ready. So I'm just gonna add the soy sauce and then cover it for a little bit. Then I think it'll be good to go. As the wings are still cooking, I think I'm just gonna slice this. Sausages are already there. They are all cooked. Yeah. There we have our wings. You know. Yep. Our chicken wings are ready. That's how it looks like. I'm just gonna cover it right now. I think I've moved so fast. So this is the pilau meat. What's inside here is I did add some garlic, ginger, some onions, and then the pilau, the masala, the spice for making pilau, the one that you grind. And then over here, I've sliced the capsicum, like the hohos, the green one, red ones, and then the yellow ones. And then the onions are also here. Then we have the sausages over there. Like I've also done some slicing on that as well. So I'm just gonna add rice here because it's ready now. That is like 2 glasses of rice. Let me just tie it quickly. Smells good. You can just smell it. So yeah, so this is our rice. Already I've boiled some water. So I just want it to mix well. The only spice I've used is that pilau masala, nothing else, but I think I can add a little black pepper, so I'll just add it. So very 1-1-1. I'll just add the hot water there and then we get it going. So I had to measure it, good people. So msidhani sija measure. I had to get the exact, the double the glasses that I did put. Our pilau is ready for covering. I'm gonna do that right now. Just cover it. Then over here I have fried so this stuff, I think the sun there is not doing it justice, so I've deep fried, not even deep frying, I had to fry the onions just a little bit, not even putting a lot of oil, but I just wanted to mix the other ho-hos with salt, a little salt and some black pepper. So I'm going to mix them right now. So great people, my pilau is ready over there. Yes, as you can see. And by the way, imeiva vizuri sana, it's really good. And then the oil you're seeing is for deep frying this chicken. Now this is a full chicken, I've just boiled it and just a little bit, then deep fry, then I'll make it and then you'll see the final, how it will look. Okay, so that chicken I had to fry like that, like just deep fry. And then now here is the paste ready. So this is the paste ready. I'm gonna just pour this inside here. Okay, so we have you see, now they're ready. Yes, that's how we're gonna have them. I've also made some kachumbari here, and then of course we have the pilau. Something else, this dinner is ready. Oh, this one right here, these are the chicken wings, and the chicken is ready right here. I'm going to make this too, like another salad, and then put some raisins on top. Pineapple, carrots, and some raisins. This is the last salad for the day. For the night, because this is supposed to be dinner, and it will be dinner until now. We're going to hang out until morning. The birthday girl is here. You'll be able to see her in a few. Yeah. So good people, I'm done with almost everything that I was doing today, and even the cooking, like it was a lot, and I feel like we've spent like the entire day together, which is a good thing. And yeah, it's been long since I did like a day in the life. Oh my god, it was a lot of work. Like sometimes I was even forgetting that I'm supposed to shoot, but I'm glad that I was able to shoot, like I was able to just bring you along. So that's how my day was. I still have those clothes that I'm supposed to fold, which I'll fold later on. But I think I will end it in a few, because you'll just say hi to my friends, and then now from there we can just call it a night. What do you do? Oh my god, which one? Hi. The first thing.
No, but it took so long to open the door.
You need to have yourself some international friends, because they come bearing gifts. Hey, see my gift. Like, oh my god, guess what's inside here? I am not bragging, I'm just showing you, by the way. If you have those friends who are out there, oh my god, isn't it Nini? Oh my god, those ones are so beautiful. Oh, akizinakaa vizuri. So my candles, I love things that are smelling nice. I'm just gonna light this one. There's this one, these are mine. I'm just gonna show you mine, because the rest, this is I think Marel's, and then the other bag is for Jackie. And then this one as well, lavender vanilla. Oh my god, my house will be smelling so good. Then we have black cherry. Oh my god, I can't wait to just light these candles. And yeah, so these t-shirts I think I'm gonna show you later. I am just, oh my god.
Hi guys. Welcome to GER's channel. Kathy here.
Oh yeah, happy birthday girl is here, by the way.
Thank you so much.
Stop being so fake.
I'm just introducing your channel. Excuse me, please. What is fake about introducing? I didn't say it was my channel. I said welcome to GER's channel. Marel haters.
Mariel ndo huyo
Hi,
hapo.
guys, I'm so tired. I just want food first, then I'll show you.
So this one is for Kathy. I'm just out here trusting God. Wow. Yeah, this one now is Kathy. This is unbothered. Yeah, this is true. Yeah, since it's your birthday, I mean adulting is hard. So this is the one that belongs to me with a classy savage side. Yes, I can be that person. And then Jackie's. I'm not everyone's cup of tea, but I'm someone's double shot of whiskey. This is Jackie's. Anyway,
with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change.
Good people, allow me to end this video over here. I know that if I don't do it now, I'll never do it. Let me know what you liked about this particular vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. Kindly just press on this amazing lady popping right here. And until next time, good people, kisses to you.
And I don't need to speak